This is just a quick tutorial on creating some smoothed edges on simple polygon shapes. I'm using Google Sketchup at the moment just to have a play here. I'm going to draw a very simple curve like as you would for a game, very few polygons to create an object. This is just going to be, say, a sample round object you'd put in your world. We'll just turn the faces so they're facing out, so all the faces are facing out. Now obviously you can see there's different shaded colors depending on where the light is there, and what I'm going to do is, once I get rid of my man, I'm going to apply a bit of a texture on here just for an example. I have that one will do. So what you can see here is like this will look okay in game, and obviously when the light hits this, the graphics card is shading the faces different colors depending on the light angle. What happens here is there's little invisible lines pointing out at 90 degrees at the intersections of the corners and on the faces, so it can work out what color to shade each face when it draws it. You can actually change the angles of these invisible lines at the joins to make the lighting shader actually change the color and blended edges, and you can do that to use very few polygons but to make an object look curved. So what you would do is you'd actually select the faces, so I'm just holding down Control and clicking each of the faces. So I've just highlighted those 5 faces. I'm actually going to make a component, so right click, make a component. You can call it whatever you like, but I want to replace those with this component. So now I've got, that's a single face, that's a single face, and this is a component. When I right click, I can do soften and smooth edges, and then what this does is this is changing those invisible lines, so how the shader calculates. So you can actually raise it up and you can make the shader try and blend the edges a bit better. And then obviously your curves in game will look much smoother. It's still the simple polygon shape, so it's not very resource hungry, but it looks like a smoother object. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial. Hope it helps someone. Bye.